Hey there, I'm Rihanna, your backpacking bestie from Australia. In this video, we're spicing things up with a Balinese cooking class, getting hands-on in a silver making workshop, and exploring the amazing Nuana Creative City. But here's the best part. Instead of meeting new besties, my number one besties, mum and dad, are here to join me for a fun few days in Bali. So this channel is not just about the destination, it's about the besties we meet that make every place so special. And today, those besties are my family. So come with me to explore Bali.
Thank you so much.
Terima kasih. You gotta say it, Mum. Gotta say it. Come on. Yay! Terima kasih. Look who the cat dragged in. Who are you? Meet my backpacking besties, my original besties in the world, Dad and Mum. So Mum and Dad arrived today. How are you guys feeling?
Oh, we're great.
You're great? You already got a drink in your hand, Dad. You're fine.
Lunchtime today was Chichitos. You know, the chocolate cherry day.
Oh, the Chicos.
The
Chicos.
and afternoon nibble snacks was violet crumble.
Oh, yum,
So
guys. Nutritious. Love it. So we all got the same. Not sorry. All right, dig in. Let's eat. Good morning from Ubud. So this next week's going to be a little bit different to my normal videos. So usually I meet my backpacking besties whilst I'm on the go. But this week, my backpacking besties are my favorite besties in the world, which are my mum and dad. And we are traveling around Ubud for another 4 days, and then we're going to Seminyak for 4 days. And then my parents are going home, and then I'm back to my backpacking bestie self. So come with me to explore Ubud today. Dad's fascinated by the lady carrying things on her head. We are eating at Suck Small. Dad just fell off his chair. I really wish I recorded that. That was hilarious. Holiday mode activated. So, welcome my backpacking besties, Mum and Dad.
Hello.
Say hello to the vlog. What did you get? You got a coconut coffee. Mum doesn't even know what she got.
I don't even know what I ordered. Yeah, I did. It was very popular.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Yep, here we go.
Okay, out of 10,
Yep.
4.
Oh, he's a harsh critic.
This is hot.
And this is a ginger coffee.
Oh, that's a different flavour again, now that I've stirred it up.
4.5.
Oh, Dad doesn't like the coffee. So this is my parents trying rum button for the first time. So just be aware it has a seed in it, so you can see the seed. Yeah. So you can pull it apart again if you wanted to.
Garlic.
Yeah. So pull it apart here.
Yeah.
Just butter? Yeah.
Yeah, go for it, Ma. It's different, isn't it?
Sweet?
It's sweet, yeah.
I like it.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know what it reminds me of though.
What do you think, Dad? It's good, isn't it?
Different. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
The more you eat it, the more you like it. This is parents on tour.
This is called don't break front teeth.
Yeah, don't break your front teeth, Dad. Please don't. It's cool, isn't it? We are about to take our first cooking class in Bali, and our first cooking class for my parents, full stop. We are here. Let's go.
Vegetarian peanut sauce for gado-gado.
Oh.
Bali salad kurab.
Mm.
Tempe goreng. At the end, we making dessert. Our dessert like your banana caramel.
Oh, anak. Go, Mama. How you going, Dada? I love how he's hat on as well.
She's done that before. No, the first time. My goodness, look at that hard work, Ellen. Get a hole in it. Crispy tempeh. Looks delicious.
Yeah. This is trying the tempeh.
Oh, you're already ready.
Yeah, you would eat. I would hope so. We're making it for you.
Oh. Yes. One. Put it down.
What's your review, Mum? How's your food?
Oh, yum.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Love this.
What's your favourite so far? The tempeh?
Yep.
Yep. Your turn, Dad. Review time. Dad's a harsh critic. What is it?
The curry tofu is awesome.
Yeah? Nice. Thank you! Let's go. Good morning from Ubud. I am back at my backpacking besties, Mum and Dad. Here they are again. We are getting brekkie, and then after we are going to a silver making class, which is so exciting. So let's go today and have a good day. We are eating here first. Looks just really nice. Let's go. This is really nice. Huggy! Terima kasih. This looks really good. Yes, thank you. All right, we're at the silver making class. Let's go. Hello.
100% silver, it will be the best quality of the jewelry. His name is Komang. He will be your teacher and also he will be your helper.
Penas, penas. We made us a silver. Doesn't look like a ring yet.
Easy.
Yeah.
Twisty. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So this is like glue.
Yeah, like blue. Oh, so.
Nice.
There you go. So.
Yeah.
The final verdict is we got matching. Love it. Beautiful. Of course, I got more me green. Oh, you got tempeh as well. Yum. Good morning from Ubud. So we are just getting breakfast now. And then after that, we are heading to Seminyak for the next 4 days. So come with me for a beautiful adventure to Seminyak. Oh my gosh, Dad. Go, Dad.
Hey,
Go.
honey.
All right, hurry up. Hurry up. All right, we are eating at Amsterdam. Let's go. I want some strudel waffles. So what did you get, Dad? So you got some meatballs, scrambled egg, avocado, fruit roll, and whatever that is. Delicious. You can be a part of my vlog. So Kiki is literally lives down the road to my parents. Isn't that amazing? The people you meet, right? We have made it to Seminyak, and now we are going for a shop, and we're also getting lunch right now. So let's go. Siang. Okay, so we got some Western food, and I'm not sorry, we were really craving Western food. And what did you get, Dad? You've already finished it. And a fruit bowl.
Calamari.
And a fruit bowl.
Yeah.
You know how much I love Asian supermarkets when I'm in a foreign country. So, what are we getting? What kind of snacks do we feel like? So we got these ones, which is my favorite, is like roasted corn. They're so good. I got Bickies at home, Dad, so you can have mine. All right, this is our stay. Cute. And I have little bean bags. Excellent. Oh, thank you for bringing our bags inside. So this is my room. I got a balcony out there, and then bathroom's really nice. Happy. Very cantique. Oh, I haven't. Oh, very cool. Through here, nice. Oh, that smells good. Terima kasih. Yum. Excellent. Good morning from Seminyak. So today we are going for a shop. Last night's dinner was amazing at La Favela. 100% recommend the place. So I am on the hunt for some Speedos for Dad, and I am on the hunt for maybe a dress for me. I need something to treat myself. So come with me today for a beautiful day of shopping. Woo! Hey, Dada! Let's go! All right, we are going to the mall to find Dad some Speedos. We can't find them anywhere. They must be a very Australian thing. But let's find out. I also have already spent $300, which is not a bad thing because I never spend money. So let's grab them all. All right, Mum, what did you get?
I got this.
Nice, Prada. Nice. Nice. And what did you get, Dad? Parachute, what do they look like? Come on, show me. Nice, good job. And a papaya. I got mee goreng. And then Dad's got nasi goreng. Delicious. Yum. You're making friends. I'm going to a spontaneous trip to La Favela to have a few drinks with my friend. So come with me for a good night. Good morning from Seminyak. So I got 2 hours sleep. I'm a little bit sleep deprived, but let's first get breakfast. Got my backpacking besties. Good morning. And I got some French toast. And what do you have?
I have scrambled eggs.
Very basic. Yeah. And Mum has no food.
No food.
Excellent. So let's start the day. We are going up north a little bit today, a little bit northwest. So come with us today for a beautiful adventure. Okay, I need to leave before I spend any more money. I spent $350 yesterday in one store at Bamboo Blonde. And then I went back today and I was like, I need to go back. I have to go back. I spent another $300. I need to stop. I need to go home. Some cows. All right, we have made it to Nuana. I think that's how we pronounce it. We'll find out. I'm so hungry. Let's get some food. Okay, we made it. It took us 2.5 hours to get here. It should have taken us 1 hour. I'm a bit exhausted already. I had a nap in the car the whole way, so I'm not unhappy. But we are finally here. And I don't know what we have. This way? Terima kasih. So let's go. It's gonna be a good. Look how amazing it is. Oh, we're here for the llamas, really. I am. What's your impression? Happy birthday, Dad. This is my birthday gift to Dad. All right, let's go sit. Okay, this is really cool. This is really cool. Amazing. Yes. Perfect. Yeah, then we can sit here. You guys want to sit here? Yeah, let's do it. Cheers. Are they spring rolls? Oh my gosh. Yes. Terima kasih. This looks really good. Oh my gosh, look at these bathrooms. Oh my gosh, this is fancier than my house. They're so cute. Nuana is such a cool place. It's very arty. There's lots of photography and showing different pieces of art from different artists. It is absolutely amazing. I 100% recommend it. I'm a big creative person. I appreciate people's art. So this is the perfect place for me. Oh, wow. That's cool. I'm gonna go in here first. I found it. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. You have to pay extra to go see them, so I'm not doing that. But they're so cute. Yay. Look how beautiful these are. Wow. I just love how there's lots of photography everywhere. It's so beautiful. What a beautiful place.
The emotional intelligence aspect. Children need to develop empathy and a deep sense of connection.
What a beautiful way to end the day. So Dad, you're going to say, don't forget to like, follow, comment, subscribe.
Agree.
Yeah?
Agree.
You're going to say it? Say, don't forget to
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and
comment.
comment.
Yay! So it's 1 a.m. and the place is already shutting. We're at Motel Mexicana. Why is it closing so early? Why? But look how cool this place is. Hey! You're a part of the vlog. Bike. Bike. I give you metros.
Thank you.
Yay!
Full.
Yes, minty. It is 1:30 in the morning. We are getting food. Not sorry. Where is he? There's nothing better than a 2:30. Oh, wait, is it? What time is it? 1:30.
We are talking.
What time is it?
We are talking 1:45.
1:45 midnight feast. Excellent. Selamat pagi. Maybe in or out? We'll go in. Yeah, terima kasih inside. Oh. All right, so I got a smoothie bowl, and what did you get, Matt?
I got a chicken melt.
Oh, I didn't realize you were getting chicken. That looks really good. It is Mum and Dad's last night in Bali, so we are going to Moonlight for dinner to celebrate. So, are you guys ready? Yes. All right, let's go to Moonlight. Oh. Yes, I need more food. Terima kasih.
Just waiting for the
Wings.
chicken wings.
Yeah. Chicken wings. Terima kasih. All right, let's dig in.
And it's your
Terima kasih.
Enjoy.
This all looks amazing. Yay. I'm sadly saying goodbye to my mum and dad that are going back to Brisbane today. Love you. Bye.